Normal life in the state has been affected due to the 18-hour total shutdown imposed by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur from 27 December midnight as their ultimatum served on the state government to send a recommendation for enlistment of Meitei in Scheduled Tribe category to the center when unheard. The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee has been launching various agitations demanding Scheduled Tribe status for Meitei of the state, but the state government is yet to take a decision. Many supporters of the total shutdown in different areas of the state came to the street and blocked vehicular movement. Some supporters even burned tires in the middle of the road. Markets in Imphal city as well as the periphery of the Imphal remain closed while passenger service remain off the road. Attendees in government offices was reportedly thin as also movement on the roads through those related with emergency service like medical, fire, water supply and religious ceremonies continue to ply as usual. Meanwhile, key supporters of the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur for Bishnupur site have been picked up by police. State security forces are maintaining strict vigils to avoid any untoward incident. However, no untoward incident has been reported so far. Reports say there is no impact of the shutdown in tribal areas. Police patrolling the trouble-prone areas said that there is no report of any untoward incident. On the other hand, educated, unemployed Tata Magic Van owner and Drivers Welfare Associations (OINAM) and the social volunteer organization Changangai, different CSOs in Juribam Maira Paibis are showing their solidarity in the 18-hour total shutdown called by the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee. The 18-hour total shutdown also affected normal life in Juribam district. Vehicular movement was negligible for the day while government offices too remained closed. Jiri Kaitel, all shops and business establishments in the district capital also remain closed.